Hi everyone, welcome back to our class. In this video, we are going to solve IGCSE paper 11 May-June 2020. Question number 11 to 15. If you didn't watch my previous videos, please watch those videos first. Then only you get the continuation. And if you are not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and keep watching. So let's start. Question number 11. The income statement of a business showed a loss for the year 16,000. On checking the books, the following errors were discovered. No adjustment had been made for insurance prepaid. No entry had been made for bank charges. So the loss is here given 16,000. So loss means we put in the bracket. First adjustment, insurance prepaid. Insurance prepaid means insurance paid for the following year. So it should be deducted from the expense insurance in the current period. But they are not deducted from the current period. So we should add it back. Profit is, expense is overstated there. Expense always we deduct. So this amount we add it back. We write 480 without bracket. We are going to add. Next, bank charges. Bank charges, this is the expense. So we deduct. Expenses always we deduct in the calculation of profit or loss. We put in the bracket 620. So what is the final figure? 16,140 loss. Next, 12. Peter's bank statement showed a debit balance of $1,600 on 1st April. The following transaction took place. They are given some transactions. What is the question? What was the bank statement balance on 30th April? Bank statement, when we are preparing the bank statement, this is the just opposite of the cash book. Cash book we enter all the receipt on the debit side and all the payments on the credit side. While in the bank statement we enter all the receipts on the credit side, all the payments on the debit side. So first, the balance brought down on the debit side. 1,600. Next, the transaction. Check deposit. Check deposit 7,400. 7,400. If it is the cash book, we put it on the debit side. In the bank statement, we put it just opposite 7,400. We are always enter in the bank statement just opposite of the cash book. Next, total check payment. Total check payment 620. In the bank statement, we put it on the debit side. Then insurance premium, again the payment, bank statement we put it on the debit side only. Then credit transfer from customer, receipt from the customer, it goes down on the credit side. So we can balance it. 7,850. 7,850 is the total balance. Here the credit balance is more. So what is the balance amount is coming? 870. Balance carry down. Then we put it on the brought down credit side. 870. So the correct answer is option A, $870 credit balance. Next, question number 30. A sales ledger control account had a debit balance of $10,000. It was found that 2,000 contra entry to the purchase ledger control account had been entered on the wrong side of the sales ledger control account. So, here the sales ledger control account debit balance brought down, it's on the 10,000 on the debit side. And contra entry means that is when the business have the same time debtor and creditor is the same person. So always contra entry we put it on the payment side. Sales ledger control account payment is decreasing the total debtors amount, we put it on the credit side. So contra entry always we put it on the credit side of the sales ledger control account. Here by mistake they put it on the wrong side. Wrong side means they entered it on the debit side. So actually they should put it on the credit side. When they put it on the debit side, this is the double effect. So here they put it on the 2000 on the debit side means double effect. It means 4000 is the double effect. So to cancel that, first we put 2000 on the credit side. Then we again enter the contra entry. Effect is double effect. So 10,000 minus 4,000. What is the answer? The answer is 6,000 is our correct answer. Option A. Question number 40. A business had a new extension to its workshop premises. It incurred the following expenditure: building cost, legal fees, air condition system of original workshop, air condition system new workshop, decorating original workshop and new workshop. What was the total capital expenditure of the business? Capital expenditure, building cost. This is the first time building is purchasing, so this is the capital expenditure. Legal fees, paying to buy the building, that is the capital expenditure. Air condition, again air condition, both are capital expenditure. Decorating the original workshop, this is the revenue expenditure. We will not enter in the capital expenditure because to run the business again they are decorating the original workshop. Again new workshop extension, that is the capital expenditure. So what is the total amount? Total amount is 71,000. Correct answer is C. Next, question number 50. A non-current asset was depreciated at the end of the year using straight line method. They are given cost, work life, residual value. It was then found that the reducing balance method at 30% per year should have been used. What was the effect on the profit for the year of correcting this year? Straight line method, what is the depreciation in the straight line method? They are given 20,000, residual value 4,000 divided by 4. So as per straight line method, the depreciation is 4,000, while in reducing balance method, what is the depreciation reducing balance method? $20,000 percentage is 30%. That is 6,000. Before the business, they are deducted 4,000 in the income statement, but actual depreciation is 6,000. So when we are correcting the error, we should deduct extra. What is the difference? 6,000 minus the previous depreciation, 2,000 expense is understated. So we should be deducted this from the profit. So the effect will be decrease in the profit 2000. The correct answer is answer A. Hope all are clear with today's solution. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and keep watching.